Computers understand human language through a fascinating process called natural language processing, or NLP. Imagine teaching a child to speak. It starts with recognizing sounds and meanings. Similarly, computers analyze vast amounts of text to learn patterns and context. They break down sentences into words, identify parts of speech, and even understand nuances like sarcasm or idioms. Algorithms, powered by machine learning, help them improve over time. They learn from examples, just like we do, by processing millions of sentences to grasp grammar and context. This allows them to translate languages, generate text, and even hold conversations. However, it's not perfect. Computers can misinterpret meaning, especially with ambiguous phrases. But as technology advances, their understanding gets sharper, bringing us closer to seamless communication between humans and machines. It's a thrilling journey into the world of language and technology.